In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Do Not Disturb in Odoo. This is a very quick setting, but it can make a big difference to your focus, especially if you work in a busy team and get a lot of notifications during the day. I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Odoo account and you're on any main page of the system, such as your dashboard or one of your apps. The option we need is always in the same place, no matter which app you're using. Look to the top right-hand corner of your Odoo window. There you'll see your profile area. This is usually shown as your avatar, your initials, or a small user icon. Move your mouse to that area and click on it. When you click, a small drop-down menu will open. This menu is where you typically find options related to your account, such as your profile, preferences, and your current status. In that drop-down, you should see your current status displayed. By default, it is often set to online. This status tells your colleagues whether you're available and can also influence how notifications are delivered to you. Go ahead and click on the word online or on the status indicator next to it. When you click it, a list of different status options will appear. Among these, you'll see Do Not Disturb. This is the mode we want to enable. Click on Do Not Disturb. Once you select it, your status will change from online to Do Not Disturb. You may notice a visual change, such as a different color or icon next to your profile picture, indicating that you're now in Do Not Disturb mode. From this point on, Odoo will reduce or silence certain notifications, helping you stay focused without constant pings and pop-ups. If you ever want to go back to being available, you'll repeat the same steps. Click the profile icon in the top right, open the status menu, and this time choose online or whichever status you prefer. Using Do Not Disturb is a simple habit that can help you manage your attention, especially during deep work, calls, or meetings. That's all you need to do to set Do Not Disturb in Odoo.